All of my friends call me BNS. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. I know I'm gonna win some, and I'm surely gonna lose some too. See, but I've got my mind on this, yeah. Give me something, make I hold on to, yeah. I want to win and never lose. You hear the sound we I produce.
Allez, c'est ça.
Allez, c'est.
Allez, c'est ça.
Allez, tu n'as pas dit avec vous.
C'est that's been.
That's me, I know there.
Now do you go home?
Huh?
Would you go home?
I said, man, I don't make answer. Huh? Paris, I'm not there. Huh? I said, man, I only make answer.
If you have
Debbie on a year is when you move. I said, man, I will cancel. It's when you move. Huh?
Minute day.
I don't know, Muslim will buy any professor.
It's a minute day.
I am going so quick. Hey, wait. Hey, are they? Huh?
Say that's been a swami.
That's been I said, my money make kind crowd. I'm into my CEO. Debbie, that's been a to me, Ben. I was
say, one way, how. So the Messiah poor man watch my team hands, you know.
Uber Bowman.
I had a residential area, I didn't do this.
Debbie, residential area. I didn't think a residential area. Unim so what's residential area? We need dashboard.
Dashboard chrono. It's here. I had a dashboard chrono. Into Hannah, different Babu.
Well, that's when I swear him. I order. I order, dear Panet, we swear him in a order. Make him off me, Madame, Pedia Moyan. Simon, I'm sorry, I'm Woody Begum. Seconds not deny a man. We did. I feel your betcha. Oh, I'm a semi man found tomorrow. Now
that's been a son. Nebra bonus and the ball of
the ball of Beguma is when you. I said, I
found home or be a funny ball and Bishop
Fako fee.
Mean to me, found caught.
What to me?
Ramiadia, Barry, I'm found to
Mr. Fako fee.
I didn't know you.
What to say? I didn't know you. What you have been asked me, I dare say. Who can come to the own residential area? I was a me yet the day free. I didn't know me, Madame Ba was young boy. I didn't think I had in the Timmy Yaman Tamsa. So if you had a McDonald's and sign ya, dear. It's your fun to say what don't sign. And I dear begin to sign the beanie. Mammy, I don't tolerate nonsense. I will never tolerate this. Please take your ball away.
Now, maybe that's what I'm
saying. Swam outside your baby. More fun ball. Come and remove yours. Police.
Hello. Why? You're making noise in the hood.
Madam, I'm very sorry.
What's the problem?
It's just that these ladies.
What have they done to you?
It's quite unfortunate. I can't imagine what they mean.
You can't imagine?
Yes.
Hello, sisters. Is everything okay?
You know, let's take it from this place.
Which place?
Okay. I live next to your house, okay? And I just needed a dustbin to put my refuse and my rubbish in it.
Why, you don't have a dustbin?
In your house?
You don't have, yes.
Okay, so let me say you are the girls or ladies that used to put your rubbish in our bin.
I'm sorry, I just came here just 3 days ago, so I don't know what you're
So you should create your own rubbish bin.
So we are creating it and it hasn't been sent to us yet.
Mommy.
So must you come and join us?
By the way, I'm sorry for...
Is that the reason why you were screaming?
Yes, I was shouting because she always do.
Madam, please, henceforth, don't come here.
Okay, remove it and take it back. Come and take it back.
Come on, no fan call.
Come and take your.
Come on, let's say fine. Hello, madam. Wait, go and take your rubbish.
Take your rubbish back.
Miss, take it.
Yes, you have to. You have to take it back.
Go back.
Mommy, come and take it back. Hey.
I'm going to town. Make sure they pick it up.
They are going to pick it and pick it and pick it. You can pick it.
Make sure she pick it up.
Yes, come and pick it up.
Or else
Come and
be
pick
sacked from your job.
Sack?
Go back and pick it up.
Madam, bottle
I'm
here.
off.
When you say bottle, sack bottle here. And madam, can what's a mumpe bottle sack? Mumpe sack bottle.
Na fire de.
What about me?
So said John Santa Grofo.
Yeah!
Come on, the
And your mummy,
What be you
you bola. Missy, you bola.
me bola.
You are going to do with me. You are going to do with me, right? Come and remove your bola. Baby, bola.
Oh, the man was no how would you want to say that?
That's it. The boa, the bomb.
Mr. Medebola, the rubber woman, I said.
Hygienic, when you be. You can't say hygienic. It's just about you, Sabon. Me, Yen you made him what the aguma be no answer next time on no no. What the aguma be say want me say me it's no next time one sister family. What you mean saying you had a collection book? Fansa ko tum ne yi. Fansa ko tum ne yi. Come in some ko tum. Kono yi bre. Kono yi. Wo kra obesiesie asem se wadwene wo fom. Na asem wo kan say on fa ne sam ko tu ball anu wonyi. Na ka wa fa ne sam ko tum ko yi. Me dia tuma wie. Wo dia tuma wie. Ai. Ye be hwe wai. Ai. Oba dia be chine gu kwa na no. Taso oba wote. E ka me no. Ade be chine gu kwa na. E ka me no. Oba taso. E ka me no. Taso ne ko. Oba wa ti te wo fe. The when you know you need that. The when you know you need that. Where me no bo. Oba bome. Where me no bo. Oba bome. Me so where me no bo. Come far from her. I tell you. Oba from me no. Come far from her. Let's when me abe from me. Abante taso no ko. Why? Wo de me pese me kasa bebere wo bibi ho. On su jama fuenti he. Wunya wompe. Wunya wompe. Wunya next time. Eto bola. Mesadi aba. Eto bola. Mesadi aba. Me de ba ya befa. Asi asema kwa. We say madam be yi medi wo ho kwa. Me ye gwa me yi wedi wo. Me say yi wedi. Wo be say yi me medi. Me bono sam memfa. Open me to kwa anye yi. Fa ya afele. She bonjour. Wo ba ti say wa weni guys. Uma ni panya problem kwa. Yete ha ye no atoba ene yenka echimunton enso so we da bia ye bola bebiri samu wiam ho be fele.
I know you wanna hear me sing. To all my people make you join me sing.